Hi, my name is Sarwal and welcome to a series of Quick Fix. Today the topic is understanding how to deal with negative emotions and how to deal with headaches. This video is brought to you by Trell. I have spoken to a lot of people and they believe that having negative emotions is actually a bad thing. To be honest, it's not that bad. It's totally normal. We all have it. We all are human beings. Let's not forget that. We all are human beings and we'll have negative emotions. We have so much baggage in us that we carry every day of our life. So let's not crucify ourselves with respect to having negative emotions. It's totally normal. It's totally okay. Now let's understand how we can deal with it. Whenever you have a negative emotion, do one thing. Become aware of the space between the feet and the floor. Whenever you walk, whenever you are sitting on a chair, and if you feel that there is a negative emotion which is coming up, just become aware of the feet and the floor. Now, the important trick here is to become aware of the space between the feet and the floor. It's very important. The space is the most important thing here. What you can do is you can just channelize your emotions into that space directly. And within a second, you'll feel a difference. You'll feel something has shifted. You'll feel something has changed. Do this. Just sit on the chair or when you're standing. Just become aware of the feet and the floor and imagine there's a little small tiny space between the feet and the floor. You'll notice suddenly something shifts inside you. Something will shift immediately. Within 5 seconds something will happen. Let's take inspiration from the armed forces. They do a lot of march pasts, right? They put themselves into situations which are very difficult, emotionally, mentally, physically. Yet they're so centered. What is the secret? They're very disciplined, one. Yes, very important, they're very disciplined. But what makes them so disciplined? It's the march pass, right? So what happens in march pass? The legs go up and down, they hit the floor. Basically what's happening is they're just subconsciously becoming aware of the space between the feet and the floor, and the more they do this, the gravity or the space that's there, it becomes more stronger and they become more centered. So that's the secret. So you don't have to literally do how the armed forces do. You can just gently tap on your feet on the floor. And always remember, it's the space between the feet and the floor. Now, if you find that difficult, or if you're sitting on the bed, say for example, or sitting on the floor and you do want to just lighten up your mood, you don't have to actually stand up and do the tapping. You can just become aware of the space between you and the floor. The trick is in the space. Or what you can do is you can just clap very gently. You don't have to do a hard clap. Just very gently. And the trick is again in the space. Suddenly you will realize something has shifted, something has dropped. So that's a trick, right? So it's the space, remember. Now for those who have a lot of headache, what you can do is take your fingertips and just gently brush your eyes in between the space which is there here, between the eyebrows, the forehead, the jaw muscles, the temporal bones, the parietal bones, the frontal bones, the back of the head. Just tap very gently, very very nicely, as how a painter brushes on a canvas. Keep it as light as this possible. You'll feel suddenly something has relaxed. Do it more on the back of the head. Remember, this region stores your negative emotions, and this region, the back of the head, stores your positive emotions. Now imagine one thing. When you're sad, you sit like this, right? So basically what's happening, you're tapping into the negative emotions. And when you're very relaxed, you sit like this. Now, some intelligent person did the opposite. When he's too excited, when he's too in ecstasy, he just sit like this. You'll relax. Or when you're very sad, very 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 extremely sad, or your head is paining like bonkers, just sit like this. Automatically you'll realize that something is changing. Spend some time sitting like this for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. There'll be a lot of resistance, but it's very important that you stay here. This is the region, the back of the head is the region where there are positive emotions stored in the body, in the brain. So you can tap into that. And that's how you can even reduce or relax your headache. So it's very important that you know these things, right? I hope these techniques help you in dealing with your negative emotions and headache. So please like, share, subscribe and comment. Share it with your friends and family. This video is brought to you by Trell. My name is Sarvil. Thank you.